Hey guys, welcome back. This is AJXG here with another video. So today we're going to have to talk about Apple for Tech Tuesday. I know I've been doing a lot of Apple videos lately, but I officially realized Apple is crazy as hell. So I want to give a shout out to John Prosser over at FPT. Love his channel. Awesome. But he had shown some leaks about what the new Apple, Pro headphones would be. So they're supposed to be over-the-ear headphones, as you see here on the screen. They're called Apple Pro Max, right? They have nice little cushions. They kind of look like have a retro feel to it. But the price, oh my God, $550. What are these headphones gonna do? What are these headphones gonna do? Please explain to me. These headphones just better be waterproof. So let's go down the specs of these headphones. Let me know if you think they're worth $550 plus tax. So let's start off with what's in the box. You get the headphones, you get the smart case to cover the little ear cups, because mind you, the headphones don't fold up safely like Beats do, or fold up in some type of way like Sony, or, have a nice hard shell like Bose does. Nope, just some flimsy piece of microfiber material to cover the ear cups of these headphones, right? Boom. Next, you get a lightning USB cable. Please explain to me, why is Apple not giving people charging bricks? What is going on? At least the AirPods, you can put them in a case, you plug them in, you charge them up. What is with them not giving you power bricks? It's about to be a problem, especially since they don't even have power share like, Samsung does, where you can, put your stuff on the back and charge it up. Obviously, you're not going to charge up a big ass set of headphones, but I'm just saying. All right. So let's see what's so spectacular about these headphones. Let me see what they say. All right, so this has spatial audio. So it basically feels like you're in a theater. You have surround sound. That is the one thing that you get for paying $550. On to the next thing. You have active noise cancellation. Now, so far from most YouTubers and other people that I've spoken to, Bose is the number one best noise canceling headphones that they feel for that price point. Listen. When Beats came out with his first Beats Studio and $350 was the price point, I was like, okay, you guys are a new company. You guys must be insane. And their headphones were okay, but they was made with some bullcrap materials, so those headphones will always fall apart within 6 months. Now, I don't believe Apple's going to have that case, but they have wonderful customer service when something breaks down within the 1 year warranty. But for $550, no, and they don't even fold up or come with a hard shell. Now, of course, they're going to come out with an accessory, which is probably going to be a hard case shell for you to buy separately. That's probably going to range from $50 to $75. That is what I think, okay? They'll be crazy to make it at $100, but I'm going to try to give Apple the benefit of the doubt, and I'm going to say it's going to be at $75. But let's continue. So we have spatial audio, the theater-like sound. We have active noise cancellation. Okay? And they have this thing called high fidelity audio, which has great drivers for playback, ultra-low distortion across the entire audio range. So if you're someone that is like an audiophile or whatever they call you guys, that is in love with sounds, and you got to hear all the highs, the lows, the mids, the trumpets in the back, the little triangle playing, this pair of headphones should do the job for you guys. Okay. Lastly, the design and the fit. Okay. It has a knit mesh canopy, acoustically engineered memory foam cushions. Who needs memory foam on their ears? Now, yes, I do understand that sometimes over-the-ear headphones, after you wear it as a long time, you get like ear fatigue, and like around your ear gets a little uncomfortable. But I don't get it. Like, I wear my Astro headsets. They have like a nice cushion. I don't think that's knit, but it's a nice cotton feel, and I can wear it for hours and not get annoyed before I have to take one ear off, put it on, and take the other ear off. So this is what Apple is trying to convince their consumer, that yes, these headphones are the way to go. Now, you can get a free engraving if you order it off the Apple website. Okay. The 5 colors that it comes with is space gray, silver, green, sky blue, and pink. I'm assuming this is to match the Apple Air Pro iPad and the iPhone 12. But listen, for $550, you could get a pair of AirPod Pros and a freaking iPhone SE used from somebody. So you can have the experience of the Apple experience for $550. Now, we're not including tax. Depending on the state that you live in, like if you live in California or New York, you're paying almost $600 for a pair of headphones. That's a PS5. It's actually more than a PS5 because with the tax, the PS5 was $550. And the Xbox Series X was $550. I don't know what Apple was smoking, but it sure ain't weed, guys. All right, guys. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching. This is AjaxG out.